Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on 2nd Street in San Dimas. And a lot has happened since our last video, as I normally say. Now, we are transferring power today. And this is a little detailed. So, we have our sub panel for the ADU. This is a 200 amp sub panel. We have our panel for our power. So one of these meter sockets is going to be for the main house. That's way the heck over there. And the second meter is going to be for the ADU. This one is feeding into this one. This one is going down here into this conduit and feeding underground all the way to the front house. Now, let me show you this here. You see this wire that's feeding all the way to the front. By the end of the day, that wire from there is gonna feed and come in to there, and then it's gonna connect and then feed the front unit from there all the way to there. You guys are wondering, what's this for? This is for the solar. So when a solar company installs the panels, there's no pipe on the outside, and that's what the city wants. I would walk you all the way to the front, but what's happening today is we are removing the panel from the existing panel from the existing residence and making it a sub panel. And then it's gonna backfeed all the way to here. They're gonna run the wire. So Campbell Electric, Brandon from Campbell Electric, I know I've plugged him before, has a lot to do today. We got to get this power up and running so the ADU will have power and the main residence will have power. A lot of work. Brandon was here on Friday, today is Monday, and installed all of this and got it ready to go. And now we're gonna feed it with the power from Edison. So guys, any questions about building any process of an ADU, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Guys, thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please give us some likes. I love those likes, guys. Makes you know that you're really liking what I am, kind of content that I'm putting in here. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.